Hello my dear students, I hope you are all doing good. Welcome to geography class. Today we are going to start chapter 7, volcanoes. Introduction. First of all, look at the picture. It is a volcano. Now let us discuss some technical terms which we will use in this chapter. So here I have listed two technical terms, intrusion and extrusion. Technically speaking, an intrusion is any formation of intrusive igneous rock, that is rock formed from magma that cools and solidifies within the crust of the planet. In contrast, an extrusion consists of extrusive rock, that is rock formed above the surface of the crust. For now, you just understand that intrusion is something made from magma or formed by magma within the earth crust or under the earth crust, and extrusion is a rock formed above the surface of the crust. Let's continue with some more technical terms which we will use in this chapter. The process which involves the magma in the earth crust and the same molten magma comes on the earth's surface as lava is called volcanicity. The above process gives rise to volcanic eruptions. When a volcano erupts, that is known as volcanic eruption. In simple words, volcanic eruption means molten magma comes up to the surface of earth where it is called lava. In the picture I have shown a volcano and magma and lava are marked. You can see when the molten rock is inside the earth, then it is called magma, and when the same molten rock is erupted through the vent of the volcano, then it is called lava. After introduction, let's move to our main topic, volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash and gases or steam escape. A vent of a volcano is connected with the magma chamber. Shape of a volcano. The two common shapes of a volcano are cone and dome. Means you will find some volcanoes in the form of cone and other volcanoes in the form of a dome. How such forms are different, it depends upon the material which is ejected from the volcano. In the picture you will find magma chamber is there, which is shown in orange color. Main vent is also in orange color. Then there is a branch in the main vent, we will call it secondary vent, and a cone is formed, the main cone and the secondary cone is also there. Then at the top there is a crater, which is the mouth from which the volcanic ash and the magma is ejected, and when the same magma comes out and solidifies, it is called lava. Ash is also shown, a cloud is shown, and you can see a cloud during the volcanic eruption. that is called ash cloud, or we call it volcanic forms. Layers of ash and lava are also shown, and at one place from the crater downwards you can see that orange color thing is flowing, that is lava. So that is why it is written lava flow. Types of volcanic landforms. There are two types of volcanic landforms, intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive landforms are those which are formed within the Earth's surface. On the other hand, extrusive landforms are those which we see on the Earth's surface or on the Earth crust, which we can see from the outer world. The intrusive landforms, on the other hand, are formed inside the Earth. So, for now, only introduction is enough, because we are going to discuss all the intrusive and extrusive landforms one by one in detail in our next class. Dear students, we are doing types of volcanoes. The phenomena of volcanism is divided into following two types: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive type of landform occurs when lava solidifies within the Earth's crust and give rise to various shapes and forms. It means that all the landforms form within the Earth's surface. On the other hand, extrusive type of landform, the lava comes out of the Earth's crust and solidifies into magma in various shapes and forms. So, in extrusive type of landforms, the landforms forms on the surface of the Earth, not inside. That is the difference between intrusive landforms and extrusive landforms. As I have already told you that we will do all the intrusive and extrusive landforms in detail in our next class. That's all for now. Keep watching. Thank you so much.